Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage FE595 keypad lock not working, lock/unlock issues, no response and reset. Troubleshooting a Schlage FE595 keypad lock usually involves checking the battery, correcting the interior thumb turn position, or performing a factory reset. Most unresponsive locks can be fixed by replacing the battery with a fresh 9-volt alkaline cell and ensuring the unit is completely reset. Here are some quick troubleshooting steps. Fix 1. Check the interior thumb turn. Flex lock mode. If the keypad lights up but the lock doesn't secure the door from the outside, the interior thumb turn might be set to stay permanently unlocked. So go to the interior side of the door and look at the thumb turn. If it is in the vertical position, turn it to the horizontal position. You will hear a click and the door will now require a code to unlock from the outside. Fix 2. Replace the battery. Low battery power is the #1 cause of unresponsive or sluggish keypad. So remove the interior cover by unscrewing the mounting screws. Disconnect the old battery and replace it with a high quality premium 9-volt alkaline battery. Make sure the battery leads are firmly connected and the wires are tucked in so they do not get pinched by the cover. Fix 3. Perform a factory reset. Disconnect the battery, then press and release the stage button on the keypad 2 to 3 times. Then reconnect the battery and immediately press and hold the stage button until the indicator light turns green and the lock beeps. Now test the lock by entering the default user codes found on the label in your user manual or on the back of the keypad assembly. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.